Love that holds us up, love that lifts us high, love that never gives up. When the night gets heavy and the house goes cold, when fear comes knocking and tries to pull us apart, your hands build my bridge, your voice waves my flag, two souls reaching out to keep beating hearts. This is an empty promise, not words thrown to the wind. It's the work of every morning, the gentle breath within. Love that never gives up, love that starts again, light that heals the wounds, strength to walk again. Let the drums keep calling, let the rhythm make us speak, let the whole world know that love it is to give and keep. If betrayal cuts and trust begins to shake, if doubt slips in and tries to steal the flame, truth is our medicine, patience is our light, and forgiveness is the hand that brings us back to life. Not forgetting, not surrender, choosing every day, holding on to hope, finding joy along the way. Love that never gives up, love that starts again, light that heals the wounds, strength to walk again. Let the drums keep calling, let the rhythm make us speak, let the whole world know that love it is to give and keep.
Call and response with horns and accordion.
When the world pushes hard and sorrow wants to stay, when pride takes the wheel and tenderness fades away, remember love is patience, love is kind and true. It's the home that keeps us safe, the faith